Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Evergreen content to rank higher in 2026, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by identifying your existing Evergreen content that needs an update. Evaluate the performance of your current content using analytics tools. Check for outdated statistics, facts, or links that may have changed since the original publication. Conduct keyword research to ensure you are targeting relevant phrases for 2026. Analyze the competition to see how top-ranking articles are formatted and structured. Brainstorm new angles or insights that could enhance your original content. Create a detailed plan outlining the updates you want to make. Revise the introduction to reflect any changes in your topic's relevance or importance. Update your statistics and data to include the most current information available. Remove any outdated links and replace them with fresh, authoritative sources. Enhance your visuals by adding new images, infographics, or videos where applicable. Consider optimizing the content for voice search, as this trend continues to grow. Adjust your headings and subheadings to reflect the latest keywords and trends. Review the conclusion to ensure it provides updated recommendations or insights. Utilize internal linking to connect your updated content to newer relevant articles on your site. Once the updates are complete, promote the refreshed content across your social media channels. Monitor the performance of the updated content over the coming months to gauge iterate and refine your content strategy based on the results to continuously improve your evergreen pieces. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.